Imagine a life where money worries fade into the background. Picture yourself financially secure, free to pursue your passions without the constant pressure of a 9-to-5 grind. This is the promise of financial freedom, and passive income is the key to unlocking it. In today's world, financial security is more important than ever. Achieving it requires a strategic approach, and passive income plays a pivotal role. By generating income streams that work for you even while you sleep, you can build a solid foundation for a brighter financial future. Throughout this essay, we'll delve into the world of passive income, exploring its potential to transform your financial life. Whether you're just starting your journey or seeking ways to diversify your income streams, understanding passive income is crucial. Let's embark on this journey to financial freedom together. What exactly is passive income? Simply put, it's money earned with minimal effort required to maintain it. Unlike active income, where you trade time for money, like a traditional job, passive income streams continue to generate revenue without constant involvement. Think of it like planting a tree. You put in the initial effort to plant and nurture it, but once it's grown, it bears fruit without requiring constant attention. Similarly, passive income streams require upfront work to establish, but once they're up and running, they can continue to generate income with minimal ongoing effort. This doesn't mean passive income is about getting something for nothing. It still requires an investment of time, money, or resources up front, but the beauty lies in its ability to generate returns long after the initial effort. Passive income is more than just a buzzword. It's a powerful tool for achieving financial security and living life on your terms. Here's why it matters. Passive income provides a safety net, a financial cushion to fall back on if your active income stream is disrupted. By consistently reinvesting your passive income, you can accelerate your wealth-building journey and achieve your financial goals faster. Imagine having the freedom to choose how you spend your time, whether it's traveling, pursuing hobbies, or spending more time with loved ones. Passive income can make this a reality. Unlike traditional jobs with limited earning potential, many passive income streams are scalable, meaning you can grow your income exponentially with the right strategies. Now that you understand the power of passive income, let's dive into some popular streams that can help you achieve financial freedom. Owning rental properties can provide a steady stream of passive income. Investing in dividend-paying stocks allows you to earn a share of a company's profits. Become a lender and earn interest by loaning money to borrowers through online platforms. Create and sell digital products like online courses, ebooks, or templates. Partner with businesses and earn commissions by promoting their products or services. Invest in real estate projects with lower capital requirements through crowdfunding platforms. Earn passive income from creations like books, music, or inventions. Each stream has its own set of pros and cons, and the best option for you depends on your individual circumstances, risk tolerance, and financial goals. Rental income building wealth through property. Real estate has long been a popular avenue for building wealth, and rental income is a classic example of passive income. By owning rental properties, you can generate a steady stream of cash flow while benefiting from potential property appreciation. However, it's important to note that being a landlord isn't always passive. Managing tenants, handling repairs, and dealing with vacancies can be time-consuming. Consider hiring a property manager to handle the day-to-day operations, freeing up your time and reducing stress. Thorough research is crucial before investing in rental properties. Analyze the local rental market, factor in expenses like property taxes and maintenance costs, and ensure you have a solid understanding of tenant laws and regulations. Dividend stocks, earning while you sleep. Investing in dividend stocks is another popular way to generate passive income. When you own dividend-paying stocks, you're essentially buying a piece of a company that shares its profits with shareholders. The beauty of dividend investing lies in its simplicity and potential for long-term growth. By investing in established companies with a history of consistent dividend payments, you can earn passive income while benefiting from potential stock price appreciation. Remember that dividend payments are not guaranteed and can fluctuate depending on a company's performance. Diversifying your portfolio across different sectors and industries can help mitigate risk. Exploring other passive income avenues. Beyond rental properties and dividend stocks, Numerous other passive income streams can help you achieve financial freedom. Let's explore a few more options. Peer-to-peer lending platforms like Lending Club and Prosper allow you to lend money to borrowers in exchange for interest payments. While potentially lucrative, it's essential to thoroughly assess borrower creditworthiness and diversify your loans to minimize risk. Digital products. If you have expertise in a particular area, consider creating and selling digital products like online courses, ebooks, or templates. Once created, these products can generate passive income for months or even years to come. Affiliate marketing. By partnering with businesses and promoting their products or services on your website, blog, or social media channels, you can earn commissions on sales generated through your unique affiliate links. Real estate crowdfunding. This innovative approach to real estate investing allows you to pool your money with other investors to fund larger projects, lowering the barrier to entry and potentially offering attractive returns. Royalties from intellectual property. If you're a creative individual, explore opportunities to earn royalties from your intellectual property. This could include writing a book, composing music, or inventing a new product. Practical steps to start your passive income journey. Ready to embark on your passive income journey? Here are some practical steps to get you started. First, define your financial goals. What do you hope to achieve with passive income? Setting clear financial goals will guide your decisions and keep you motivated. Next, assess your resources. Identify your existing skills, resources, and available capital. This will help you determine which passive income streams align best with your current situation. Then, research and educate yourself. Thoroughly research potential passive income streams, understand the risks involved, and continuously educate yourself on best practices and industry trends. Start small and scale gradually. Don't feel pressured to go all in right away. Start with a small investment and gradually scale your efforts as you gain experience and confidence. Finally, be patient and persistent. Building sustainable passive income takes time and effort. Stay patient, persistent, and don't get discouraged by initial challenges. Avoiding common pitfalls. While the potential rewards of passive income are alluring, it's essential to be aware of common pitfalls and how to avoid them. First, avoid chasing get-rich-quick schemes. Be wary of opportunities promising unrealistic returns with little to no effort. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Next, don't neglect due diligence. Thorough research is crucial before investing in any passive income stream. Don't rush into decisions without fully understanding the risks involved. Also, don't underestimate expenses and taxes. Factor in all potential expenses, including taxes, maintenance costs, and platform fees, to get a realistic picture of your potential profits. Remember, lack of patience and persistence can be a pitfall. Building sustainable passive income takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged by initial challenges or expect overnight success. Finally, don't fail to adapt and adjust. The world of passive income is constantly evolving. Stay informed about industry trends, adapt your strategies as needed, and be willing to adjust your approach to stay ahead of the curve. The transformative power of passive income. Passive income has the power to transform your financial life, providing financial security, freedom, and the opportunity to live life on your terms. By generating income streams that work for you, even while you sleep, you can break free from the traditional 9-to-5 grind and pursue your passions without financial constraints. Imagine having the financial freedom to travel the world, spend more time with loved ones, or pursue your entrepreneurial dreams without the constant pressure of a paycheck. Passive income can make this a reality. Your journey to financial freedom starts today. The journey to financial freedom begins with a single step. By understanding the power of passive income and taking action to build your own income streams, you can create a brighter financial future for yourself and your loved ones. Remember, passive income is not a magic bullet or a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires effort, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt, but the rewards are well worth the investment. Start small, stay consistent, and never stop learning. The path to financial freedom awaits.